6 Essential Laws of Power Everyone Should Master in 2025. Discover the 6 essential laws of power you must understand in 2025 to lead, influence others, and stay ahead in business, relationships, and life dynamics, and the rapid evolution of social and professional landscapes. Mastering the laws of power has become more critical than ever before. Power isn't simply about influence or dominance, it's about knowing how to navigate complex situations, build relationships, and rise above challenges. Whether you are a seasoned professional, an entrepreneur, or an aspiring leader, understanding and leveraging these laws can elevate your ability to thrive in 2025 and beyond. As we step into an era how others perceive you can determine your access to opportunities, resources, and influence. Crafting your image, controlling your narrative, and positioning yourself as a credible and influential person are essential in the modern power game. If you're not in control of your image, someone else will be. Action tip: be intentional about your personal brand. Showcase your skills and accomplishments through thought leadership, social media, and public speaking. Make sure your actions align with the image you want to project. 5. The law of timing. Seize opportunities at the right moment. Timing is everything. In 2025, the law of timing dictates that opportunities come and go quickly. To harness power, you must recognize the right moment to act. Whether it's in business, relationships, or life choices, waiting for the right time can significantly impact your success. Conversely, acting too early or too late can lead to missed opportunities or disastrous outcomes. Action tip: stay informed and aware of trends. Be patient and watch for signals indicating the right moment to act. Don't hesitate when you know the time is right. 6. The law of strategic silence. Know when to hold back. Sometimes, the greatest power lies in what you don't say. In 2025, the law of strategic silence reminds us that silence is a powerful tool. Whether you are negotiating, managing a team, or navigating tricky situations, knowing when to remain quiet can give you a significant advantage. Silence creates space for others to speak and reveal their intentions, and it allows you to think and plan your next move without rushing. Action tip: cultivate the skill of listening deeply before responding. Hold your thoughts until it's necessary to speak, and use silence to gain insight into others' true motives. Conclusion: as we move through 2025, power dynamics will continue to evolve. The laws of power that governed the past will need to be recalibrated to thrive in the new age. Mastering adaptability, emotional intelligence, influence, perception, timing, and strategic silence will ensure you not only survive in this rapidly changing world but also thrive. The most successful individuals of 2025 will be those who understand that power isn't just about authority, it's about understanding and navigating the subtleties of human connection, emotion, and timing. By mastering these 6 laws, you'll gain an undeniable advantage, positioning yourself for success, influence, and personal fulfillment. The power to succeed is already within you, it's simply a matter of recognizing it and learning how to wield it wisely.